morning, everyone. It is Monday morning. First full day of spring. Yeah, right. We ended up with, we got about 3 to 4 inches of snow on the ground right now. Still snowing pretty good. I had to drive into Providence into this crap. It wasn't a case that Ashley was sick on Friday, I'd probably be home right now. But roads look slushy. It's been warm, so it shouldn't be too bad, I'm hoping. Just take my time. I get in there when I get in there. If I'm late, I'm late. If I'm not, I'm not. So we'll go that way. But yeah, there's pretty much all the schools in Rhode Island have canceled. Shouldn't be too much traffic on the road, I hope. And like I said, I'll just get in there when I do. So I got the dash cam rolling, and I'll show you anything I can along the way. See if there's any interesting traffic. So I'm on my way, heading in. It's about 20 past 7. Actually 25 past 7. I'm about 25 minutes late than I normally leave. 28 degrees. I'm heading to Providence. So like I do every single day, dash cam. Everyone just taking a quick break, coming outside. Sun finally popped out this morning. What a killer snowstorm we had. Oh God, all the schools in the state of Rhode Island pretty much were canceled. This is what's left. We're lucky if there was an inch of snow on the ground here in Providence. I said Burville got 6 inches. I don't even think it was that much. Alas, hooray. Hurrah, I guess you'd say. But that should be it for snow for the year, so we should be pretty much done. So hopefully put away the snow shovel this weekend and get the flowers gone. So I'll get with you guys throughout the day once things happen or anything happens. So hey everyone, it's getting time for me to get out of here. Typical day at work. Won't bore you with the details or anything like that. So I'm heading out. We ended up with 1.5 inches of snow here in Providence. They're saying Burville had 6. When I left Burville at 7 o'clock this morning, there was only about 3 inches of snow on the ground. So unless we got 3 inches of snow in about an hour and a half, I think that might be wrong. So I'm gonna head home. The sun is out right now, the wind's blowing. Basically that 1.5 inches of snow that we got in Providence is gone. So most of it should be pretty much going up at my house, if not be done by the middle of the week. They're saying Wednesday, I think it's supposed to be 60 to 65 degrees, so that'll get rid of most of the snow. Other than that, I have nothing to do tonight. I think I'm just going to take a nice relaxing night, maybe play some PlayStation, not sure. Other than that, I'm heading down to the truck right now like I do every single day. I'll talk to you when I get there. All right, everyone, I'm heading home right now. It's actually pretty nice out. It's 45 degrees, a little windy, but sunny. It's nice. Got the dash cam rolling. I'm rolling at 2.7K on the way home. See if you notice the difference. A little bit of more of a wide angle, so I got a little bit more. But I'm heading home, and I will do like I do every single day. Dash cam.
You scared yourself? Ashley! What's he doing?
Evelyn, that's going to be it for tonight. Basically spent the night in the house, watched a little bit of TV, was on the phone, just a couple of different things. Really didn't do too much. Like I always say every night, you can follow me on Facebook. You can subscribe to my Twitter feed, you know, my website, which is markplant.com. My podcasts are on that. That's about it. If you have any questions, any comments, please send them to me. You can send them to mark@markplant.com. Other than that, I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow night.